Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to fill gaps and cracks in your asphalt driveway. It's a great way to improve the look and to improve your curb appeal. Let me show you what's involved. Now, the benefit of filling up the gaps and the cracks in an asphalt driveway is it actually prolongs the life of the surface and, quite frankly, makes it look better. Now, if you just have one or two cracks that you're worried about, you want to clean the area around it and remove any debris that might be inside the crack, maybe weeds, things like that. Pull that out of there so you have a nice clean gap to then fill with the choice of material that we'll talk about a little bit later on. But if you have a driveway that have lots of cracks, well, then it might make sense to clean the entire surface of the driveway so that you're assured that whatever material you use to fill those gaps and cracks will stick and last. Now, you've got a bunch of options when it comes to filling those gaps and cracks. If they're smaller ones, you may want to consider using a caulk tube of crack filler. This is a good idea if you just have maybe one or two cracks that are probably less than 1/8 of an inch wide and 1/8 of an inch deep. And you want to make sure you're using it on a day that isn't going to rain for about 24 hours, and apply the crack filler carefully to get as straight of a line as possible. Now, if they're deeper, an area that maybe you have some asphalt that's coming out of a hole, square that up a little bit and then use an asphalt patch. We have an example here of a product called Aquaphalt that you pour into that area and then tamp it down into place. If the patch areas are maybe like 1/2 inch deep, try this speed patch right here. This will actually pour more like a pancake batter and fill it into those cracks and smooth it all out to get a nice clean finish. And that's it. If you'd like more information, go to acehardware.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware, because Ace is the helpful place.